So 11th class, is the Python window visible to everyone? All right. Today our topic is the use of input function. Okay. The use of input function. Right. Uh, in the previous lecture, we were doing the program of simple interest, and you people initialize the principal with some value, rate with some other value, time with some value. Using the assignment operator, you initialize the variable with some particular value. This is called initializing the variable. Initializing means giving any particular value to the variable by using assignment operator. Clear? Now the program will work upon the values that you have initialized over here. Right? Now today you will learn how to input the value from the keyboard. How to input value from the keyboard. Okay, let us start. First, I have principal. So I am indicating my principal with variable p. You can take any variable you want. I am taking p variable equal to input function bracket, write a message here asking the user to input the value from the keyboard. So I am writing the message, enter the value of principal. Okay. Am I clear up till here? When you are using the input function to input the value from the keyboard, in the bracket of input function, you write your message. Any message that should prompt the user to input value. Enter the value, enter the principal, enter the value of principal, like this. Any message. Right? Now this input function, whatever you will input from the keyboard, that will be in the form of string. That will be in the form of string. And in the last lecture, I told you what is string. String is a collection of characters. String is a collection of characters. Like, for example, your name. Your name is a string as it has collection of characters. GURJOT. Okay, your name doesn't consist of one single letter. Your name is having combination of letters. So your name is a string. Okay, and in Python, string is enclosed in double quotes or single quote. You can enclose your string in Python either in double quotes or single quotes. Clear? Now, you cannot perform any calculations on string. आप string के ऊपर कोई calculation perform नहीं कर सकते. All the mathematical calculations you cannot perform on the string. And using the input function, whatever you are inputting from the keyboard, that will be converted to string. For example, you have inputted principal as 2000. 2000 this time is not a numeric value, it is a string value. It is a string value. Am I clear up till here? So we have to convert the principal from string value to numeric value so that we can perform calculations on it. And to achieve this purpose, we will be using another function that will convert our principal from string to numeric. The function is float, bracket here and closing bracket here. Now understand the meaning of this carefully. First of all, focus on the line which I have shaded. Forget rest of the things. Only focus on the line that I have shaded. Forget rest of the things. I have used the input function in order to enter the value of principal. Suppose I inputted value 2000. 2000 gets converted into string because whatever you input through input function gets converted into string type. Now here, as we cannot perform any mathematical calculations, we have to convert this string into numeric type. Numeric type can be integer without fraction, float, number with decimal. So what I have done, the input that I receive, I convert it into float type. I convert it into float type. Now it has become numeric like this. If I am clear up till here, raise your thumb immediately. To those I am clear, raise your thumb immediately. Better don't just sit in the class for the sake of attendance कि attendance mark हो जाए हमारी. Very limited thumbs are up. Okay. So this is how you can input a variable and you can convert the variable to float type by input function, then enclosing the input function inside the float function. Okay? क्या किया है? सिंपल सी बात है, पहले इनपुट फंक्शन में मैसेज डाल दिया, जो यूजर को मैसेज भेजना है, वैल्यू इनपुट हो गई. अब इस कंप्लीट इनपुट फंक्शन को आपने एक और फंक्शन में एनक्लोज कर देना है. ठीक है? द कंप्लीट इनपुट फंक्शन is enclosed inside the float function. That's it. Okay. Now, similar is the input of rate. R equal to float input, enter the rate. Okay. Third, time. Now, time you want to give in numeric form but without fraction. Time you want to give without fraction. What is the solution? मुझे float function नहीं लेना, तो कौन सा ऐसा function मैं लूंगा कि मेरा time numeric form में convert हो जाए? Yes. Yes, class. Tell me. Yes, Yuvraj, unmute yourself.
सर इंट।
Very right. Int function. जैसे फ्लोट फंक्शन लिया, आपके इनपुट को फ्रैक्शनल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, उसी तरह से अपने स्ट्रिंग इनपुट को नॉन न्यूमेरिक, नॉन डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सेकंड फंक्शन इज इंट. एंटर द टाइम. Clear? This is how you can input the values. Now calculate them. Simple interest equal to P into R into T, divide by 100. Divide by 100. Okay. And finally, now when you want to print the result, simple interest equal to double quotes, comma, variable name. Double quotes, comma, this part is your message. This part is your message. Double quotes में जो भी लिखोगे, as it is, it will get print. Then put a comma, then without double quotes, write the variable name. This will print the value of the variable. Am I clear with the program? So let us see how it works. Okay. So I'm saving this program. P4 simple interest using input. Enter the value of principal 2000. Enter the rate 5.2. Enter the time 3. This is how the input will be asked from the user. I am typing all these values from the keyboard. Enter. Name T is not defined. Okay, we have the variable time. I am making it T. I am changing the name of the variable time to T. Okay, so I am running it again. Enter principal 2000. Enter the rate 5.2. Enter the time 3. Simple interest is 312. Simple interest is 312.0. Am I clear with the program, all of you? How to input the value from the keyboard? So you have two options now. Either you use input function to input the value of the variable, either you direct initialize the variable. Okay? Any doubt, any queries, raise your hand. I will unmute you. Any doubt, any query? Let us go through another program today. Program to find area of circle. Okay? So I am creating one more program for you. Program 3, area of circle. Yes. All right. So my program is area of circle. All right. What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Students, I am not getting any response today from your side. It is giving me the feeling as if you all are just sitting with the name. So pi r square. Now in your keyboard, there is no symbol like pi. There is no key having the value of pi. So in order to use the value of pi in programming, you can directly initialize the variable with the value 3.142. Okay, this is called float literal. This is called float literal. Floating literal 3.142, right? What you called in mathematics 22/7. Clear? So I have taken a variable pi, PIE. You can take any variable and initialize it with the value of pi 3.142. Right? Now you want to calculate the area. I am taking a variable area because when I will calculate the area, I need one variable to store the result. I need one variable to store the result. So result I am storing inside the variable area. Okay. Now the formula. Area equal to pi r square. What is r square? R into r into r into r. Okay. How many have understood? Immediately raise your thumb. I'm going to count the number of thumbs raised. Arshdeep, Gurjot, Japanjot, Diya, Areman, Himanshu, Divanshi, Manjot, Harnoor, Gursirat, Vriti, Riddhi, Harnoor, Samriddhi, Pragati and Kavya thumb is not raised. Divnoor, Arshdeep, Yashika thumb is not raised. Diksha thumb is not raised. Asis thumb is not raised. Harshvardhan, Ramanjeet, Prabdeep thumb, Tarun, Mannat, Anmol, Jatin 23 roll number 11 the. Your thumb is not raised. Mayank, Nidhi, no response from your side. Mayank Kalra 28 roll number 11 the. Okay, so finally print area equal to comma area. Okay, so simple program, just finished in 3-4 lines. Now we have to give the value of radius also. So I am giving radius as 5.0. Let it be 5. I am giving radius 5. Pi 3.142. Radius is 5. Area is pi r square. R square you can write as r into r. And I print the area. Let us run it. Area is equal to 78.55. Area equal to 78.55. Am I clear up till here? Because very shortly I'm going to make one heavy change. If up till here, am I clear? Tell me. Okay. Now, I give you 1 minute. Quickly note down this code. I'm giving you 1 minute. All of you, please quickly note down this code. Then I will make one heavy change into it. All of you, please be fast in noting down. Now put your focus over here. r into r. R raised to power 2. Mathematically we can write r into r. Suppose I want to write r uh, 2 raised to power 8. I want to write 2 raised to power 8. So I will write like this: a into 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 a. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Such a long range I have to type. Okay. And if the power increases, the statement will also increase. So to avoid this problem, Python provides us an inbuilt function that is called power function. बेटा जितने भी इनबिल्ट फंक्शन है ना, उन सबका कलर देखो पर्पल है. पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग में जितने भी आपके इनबिल्ट फंक्शन है, उनका कलर पर्पल शो हो रहा है. नाउ दिस पावर फंक्शन is the inbuilt function, and such functions they are stored in some library. ये किसी मॉड्यूल में स्टोर होते हैं. They are stored in some module, and we have to import that module into our program if we want to use these inbuilt functions. These inbuilt functions are available inside some module. So we have to import those modules so that we can use these functions. And power function is available under math module. It is available under math module. How to import it? See here carefully what change I'm going to make. Area of circle is the comment. First statement, import keyword. The color changes to orange. This is a keyword. Import is a keyword. Import space math. The meaning of this statement is import the math module into your program if you want to use the inbuilt functions of module math. सारे मैथमेटिकल फंक्शंस इस मैथ मॉड्यूल के अंदर इनबिल्ट है. If you want to use them, you have to import this module. Now, how to use the inbuilt function? Remove r into r from here. Remove r into r from here. Pi symbol, pi r square, pi into name of the module dot पावर फंक्शन. ये देखो बेटा आपके सामने बॉक्स आया. ये सारे फंक्शंस मैथ मॉड्यूल में इनबिल्ट हैं. ये देखो, all these functions are included in math module. Math dot power bracket radius r square. What is the power? 2, 2. This is the base, this is the power. R is the base, 2 is the power. Okay? Am I clear? See, result is same. no change in the result is totally same. Right? Am I clear, beta? So again, you have two options, whether you want to run area of circle program using the power function, or whether you want to run it simple r into r. That is your choice. Diya, any doubt you have? Diya, you have any doubt? You have raised your hand. Yes, unmute yourself.
सर एक बार दोबारा बता दो.
I am using inbuilt function power. This inbuilt function power in Python is stored in math module. अगर कोई ऐसा फंक्शन है पाइथन में जो कि इनबिल्ट है और किसी मॉड्यूल के अंदर इनबिल्ट है, तो आपको वो मॉड्यूल प्रोग्राम में इंपोर्ट करवाना पड़ता है. This is what I have done here. My power function is inbuilt function of this math module, so I have imported the math module inside my program. Then only I can use this function. If I am not importing the math module, I am unable to use this function. Okay? Am I clear? Then this power function, it takes two parameters. One is R, the base. Second is the power figure. Okay. I make one more program here that will make you more clear. P5 maths formula program. Now I am going to make this program a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So first I type the program without math module, right? I am taking a as 2, b as 3, result equal to a square, a into a plus b square, b into b प्लस 2ab. अब पाइथन में आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते 2ab. You have to put the multiply sign in between. In mathematics, it is okay. This means product. This means multiply. But in programming, you have to write particularly the mathematical symbol multiply. Okay. Now I print the result. Right? Result is 25. Result is 25. Clear, beta? Am I clear up till here?